Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many of you with HP Pro M404n, M404dn, MFP M428FDW, M428FDN, M404DW, M428DW, M404, M428, or M406 printers might find incredibly useful. We're talking about the Aztech 58X CF258X Black High-Yield Toner Cartridge Replacement, specifically the 4-pack. This isn't just any replacement. It's designed to be a direct, high-quality alternative to the HP 58X CF258X and 58A CF258A cartridges. What immediately stands out is the high-yield aspect. For anyone who prints a lot, this means significantly more pages per cartridge compared to the standard yield, translating into fewer replacements and more uninterrupted work. And getting it in a 4-pack. That's a serious value proposition right there, ensuring you're stocked up for the long haul. When it comes to performance, the Aztech 58X aims to deliver crisp, clear, and consistent black text and graphics. Users often look for reliability, and this cartridge is engineered to provide just that, minimizing smudges, streaks, and faded prints. The installation process is typically straightforward, mirroring the ease of replacing an original HP cartridge, so there's no complicated setup or compatibility headaches to worry about. It simply clicks into place, and you're ready to print. The cost-effectiveness of these Aztech cartridges is a major draw. Compared to original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, cartridges, these replacements offer a substantial saving without compromising on print quality for everyday documents, reports, and presentations. For businesses or home offices that rely heavily on their HP M404 or M428 series printers, this 4-pack represents a smart investment, helping to keep operational costs down while maintaining a high standard of output. It's about getting professional results without the premium price tag. Ultimately, the Aztech 58X CF258X M404n Black High-Yield Toner Cartridge Replacement is presented as a robust and economical choice for compatible HP printers. It promises consistent performance, impressive page yield, and significant savings, making it a compelling option for anyone seeking a reliable toner solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.